Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on my brother's keeper. Ufakazile is furious after they offered her to buy Mashe's work and kick her out of Fisher Snacks. And then Ncubeko follows her home and then Athi yazi Ncubeko, get out of my house, I don't want you here. Athi Ncubeko, but don't forget what we have. Athi we have nothing. You Shabalala boys are selfish. When anobhuti bakho you're selfish, athi nje bangiphoxile. They forced me, I had no choice, blah blah blah. Athi Ufakazile yazini, I will never forgive you for what you did to me. Yabana, this is the worst. And then following morning, Fazile goes to work, finds that Ndumiso has already moved into her office. But busy, they're setting up even TDs there. That's how. But then I didn't say I'm accepting your offer. Angifunje, that little offer you offered me, I'm not taking it. I'm staying, I'm not going anywhere. They forced her, but no, you need to go. Atudonga, we've already signed the contract, all three of us, so you need to leave. They forced her out, and then I had saying this is not the end. In song you'll see what I've made of. Gets home, she's emotional, tells Umagazi about the whole thing. Umagazi, now I'm done crying. They'll see what I'm made of. All hell will break loose. You're scaring me now. You're scaring me now because the way I'm sitting on the corner, I must think about the kids. I don't know that my kids will be fine. I feel like Umagazi no Fakazile. He wants to speak to Fakazile. She's sorry for everything that's happening. I'm sorry too for believing in you. Because they only care about themselves and no one else. And then ahambe Ufakazile to go speak with Ukhathazile. But before that, she tells Ncubeko, if you guys want me gone, I want my money for the shares today. Athi Ncubeko, but you know these things take time. How can we give it to you today? Athi, okay, well, I want it today. Kuthi nithola kanjani nini, I don't care. If you want me gone, I want the money today. And then she goes to Fakazile to tell her about the whole thing. They just ambushed me. They're kicking me out of Shaba Snacks now that they don't need me anymore. Ukhathazile was shocked. How kanjalo nje uDonga did not even tell me anything. Athi yeah, banjalo ke laba, they only think about themselves. Tina, we're just here to bear them children. They don't care about us. They only care about themselves. Now when Jessie, just know that you are next. Athi Ukhathazile, uDonga will never do that to me. Athi hey, I'm telling you, don't say I didn't warn you. Uzocha, so you better be smart. And then uDonga gets a call from the trackers, but they found Mshengu's car abandoned somewhere. They run over there, they rush over there, non-Dumi, so they get there. Mshengu's car is abandoned. Mshengu is nowhere to be found. Doesn't look like he was robbed, but just like he abandoned the car and left. And then Mshengu went to the homestead yakamchunu at mamchunu's house. Afikeleke ubhuti kaMamchunu abe like, "Hawusibali wenze njani?" Athi, "I'm here to get my wife." Babe shocked ke ubhuti kaMamchunu nonkosikazi wakhe ukuthi hawu Mshengu, what's going on? It does not look well. And then he sees, he looks like he's tired, he has not even bathed in a while and all that. But okay, fine. What do we do now? Athi ubhuti kaMamchunu, you know what, let me just call his sons, they'll know what to do. Athi unkosikazi wakhe, I'm just starting to wonder, can you see the state he's in? It's like he's losing his mind. And now Mamchunu just slept and sort of like died in her sleep. Like, there's more to this, there's more they're not telling us. Athi ubhuti wakhe, do you think he killed uMamchunu? Athi angazi, there's more to this. Athi no, he would never. Mshengu loved uMamchunu. And then umalume calls uDonga. uDonga, they had already met noNdumiso noNcubeko, planning what to do. Esethi uNcubeko must go to search mortuary, and then uNdumiso must go to hospitals so that they can go around and search where their father might be. And then he receives a call just before they scatter. Ukuthi ubaba wenu la ufikile ula emachunwini. And then bavele bathi, please keep him there. We are on our way now. Siziyeza sizomlanda. So uNdumiso no Donga no Ncubeko, they rushing over to get their father from their uncle. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.